Welcome, we will learn about a management topic, which is Fundamentals of Scientific Research. Prepared by Dr. Fatima Al-Khattani. We will get acquainted with the concept of scientific research, and its characteristics, and the concept of the researcher, his qualities, ethics, and skills. Finally, we will learn about the components of scientific research. Research is the foundation for the development of societies, as it is the tributary that provides knowledge and invests in science and innovations in various educational, health, economic, technical, and other fields. It is the cornerstone of curriculum development and the improvement of the quality of education. By addressing the problems facing educational institutions, by providing evidence and data-driven solutions. So invest in science research. It is an urgent necessity to ensure a prosperous future and an advanced society. What is the concept of scientific research? It is a process in which the researcher works to conduct and implement sequential and regular steps with a specific scientific methodology commensurate with any situation, problem, or phenomenon in reality. It studies and collects information and data about it and its causes in any branch of knowledge and in any field of theoretical and scientific sciences, all with the aim of finding scientific solutions and predicting future results based on current causes. It includes improving the performance or developing a scientific theory, reaching laws, or applying modern and new trends, systems, and technologies, or by presenting a strategy, concept, or proposed model, so that these steps are based on a specific science method. One of the most important characteristics of research is science. Is that it works to add new knowledge. This is done accurately and objectively that avoids bias or final judgment on phenomena or events. The researcher is defined as the person who searches for the truth by implementing specific scientific steps and methodology, through which he seeks to reveal an unknown phenomenon. It investigates facts and gathers information about them. It investigates its causes. And this researcher of science, to work to adhere to the ethics of specific qualities and skills, we will learn about them. What is the ethics of a scholar? It is a set of principles, values, and norms that researchers should respect and follow them while carrying out scientific research. Scientific research ethics aims to ensure the quality of research and his honesty and integrity, protecting other rights and defending public morals. The researcher must abide by many ethics, including patience and sincerity, and provide the scientific addition and scientific honesty in the study and research, and in quotation, and to maintain the confidentiality of information, and take into account the safety of others, and respect for scientific rules and societal ethical rules, and the obligation to obtain official approvals. The researcher must also be characterized by many qualities, including the characteristic of patience. It means patience in striving for oneself in seeking knowledge, and sincerity, and scientific honesty, and strive to develop his skills in thinking and creativity. The researcher must also constantly work on developing himself, and acquire many skills that help him achieve his goals, as planning skills, time management, self-management skills, skills of dealing with modern digital programs, academic writing skills, critical thinking skills, creative thinking, communication and teamwork skills, and critical reading skills. After we knew the qualities, ethics, and skills of the researcher, we will learn about the research plan. What is a science research plan? It is a scientific report that illustrates a set of detailed steps and rules, which the researcher will adhere to during the process of searching for a particular scientific topic, to solve a specific problem or phenomenon. What are the components of scientific research? Science research consists of main elements, namely, Chapter 1, it contains the entrance to the research, and includes introduction, and the problem, and research questions, and objectives and importance, and terminology. Chapter 2, it is the chapter that clarifies the scientific basis. It contains theoretical framework and previous studies. Chapter 3, it contains research methodology and procedures. Chapter 4, it is a chapter that contains analysis, interpretation, and discussion of research results. Chapter 5, it contains summary of the research and presentation of the results, and presentation of research recommendations, presentation of proposals for future research, then the list of references, then appendices. In conclusion, we conclude that the importance of scientific research is manifested in addressing societal issues, according to the procedures and steps of the scientific researcher, and with a sequential and thoughtful scientific methodology, to provide results and data used in making informed decisions, in a way that contributes to sustainable development, the development of societies, and facing global challenges. Thank you for listening.